welcome to another tutorial on databases. So today we are going to learn how to import CSV file into our database. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go on to external data, new data source, from file, text file. Okay. After that, we browse to look where our file is. So my file is here. It's just a price list. I click open and then OK. Now, this particular file in here, it has it's a comma separated file, okay, so it has multiple commas, but it is actually separating my 12th anniversary, 18th birthday, 30th birthday information that I want this to be on the description. I don't want it to be split out like that because, as you can see, anniversary, birthday is not actually the price. So we need to do something else in here, which is we need to use the text qualifier. So we need to say that our text qualifier is the speech marks, okay? And once we use it, as you can see, the description then becomes 12 comma anniversary, which is exactly what we want. Obviously, if you were importing any other type of file that is not comma separated, then you can use tab, semicolon, or space, or even another symbol that you use to separate the data. Okay, great. Now the first row here is obviously not data, it's the field name, so we need to click on the little checkbox that says first row contains field names. All right, and then we click next. We now have this option of picking which data type do we want, and obviously the name. So normally Access does a very good job in picking the right data types for you, but as you can see in here, it's short text, and a double. Okay, obviously you do have the option of changing if that's what you desired, but like I said, normally it does do a very good job at picking for you. Okay, after that we click next, and we are now going to have to input the primary key. Now we have three options. One is we create a new primary key if that's what we need. The second one is we choose our own primary key. So remember, the primary key is what makes each row unique. Or we can just say that we don't want any primary key. Now, in this particular example, the card reference is your primary key because there's no repetition in the card reference. So I can just click choose my own primary key and I can decide which one do I want. Obviously, it needs to be the card reference. Well, the description, you might have the same description for different cards, and the price, you can definitely see that you have the same price in here, so it's not unique at all. The card reference, it's unique, so that's our primary key. We click next, and then we are done. We click finish, and this will do all the magic of creating your table for you, okay? And here you have it, the table with the information that we just imported.
Please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get updates as the videos are uploaded.